Now, what would be your best biological tips you could share with the audience of how to avoid ever needing to maybe see you?
Well, like I said, nutrition is an important thing. And these studies been done by Weston Price back in 1920s. Let's go back to basic. Let's start eating like the caveman. Let's chew our food. Let's get into nothing processed. You know, let's boost our antioxidant levels, fruit, reduce a more alkaline driven diet, cut on all your seed oils. I mean, I'm into intermittent fasting and I'm amazed by listening to several people that I admire so much. So I'm always, when I talk to my patients, try to learn from them or share with them, hey, how do you do it? You started intermittent fasting. You know, it's incredible how you can even change how these genes, epigenetics work, and you can promote improvement even of your microbiome. Did you know that fasting, your whole microbiome can be reset if you fast for approximately 17 to 19 hours? It's like mind-boggling. I'm so crazy about that. It's just, I'm not going to stop drilling and filling, but I will promote some curiosity for my patients that will instill in them a much healthier lifestyle as well.
Yeah. It's a very holistic approach to it, but it's a very natural. And like you said, let's just go back 100 years or so. I mean, we kind of sit here with a little bit of arrogance because of all the technology and everything, but we're much sicker than they were. Let's be honest.
True. That's true.
So I think a lot of what you're saying is go back to the basics, right? The fundamentals work. Diet, lifestyle, stress, all these things are
read your labels before you buy something. If that's that chemistry, you cannot even pronounce it. Stay away from that food. You know?
Yeah. No, it's become very difficult because a lot of those labels don't even list what may be in it as it gets processed. You know, I had someone on earlier that's talking about heavy metals in general and testing and everything. And, you know, he said everything from hibiscus tea has aluminum in it and this because it's processed. Chocolate, right? Cadmium, lead, things we love, right? And but I think that takes you into control it as much as you can. If you could grow or know your local farmer, you have more control because it's not going through a factory, a company that paid to process it with other stuff, machines that may chip off into who knows, and will end up with other things that are not in the ingredients, even the scary ones that would be scary for you.
I can testify for that. I'm a daughter of an agriculture engineer. I grew up in a farm in South America.
In Bolivia, you were on a farm?
Yes.
Yes. So you know what it's like to be a farmer's daughter.
And sugar cane, you know, got to blame it on the sugar cane for the mercury fillings that I put in my mouth early on. But
no, the whole idea of going back to that and appreciating and knowing farmers is something that's big and absolutely can help with dental health as well.